Well, hey everybody, we just wanted to take a minute to tell you about our new referral program that we have here at Sailfish Solar. We have two different levels. One is for individuals and for existing clients or potential prospective future clients. And then the other one is for industry partners, the businesses and the companies within the community that we do business with and that ultimately we can have some sort of reciprocal relationship with. So the first level of referral is just for a client, a prospective client, or just an individual in the community. A lot of times our existing clients are very happy with our service, and so the word of mouth is something we take a great deal of pride in how we grow our business. A lot of our clients will actually say this solar system was so successful. If I can tell 10 more people about this solar system, I can pay off 50% of my system within the next year here. So typically we're paying about $1,000. It's a flat fee, and all we need really from you is just a name and a phone number of somebody that you think is interested in solar, and we'll call them. We'll go out and do a presentation, and if we can use your name and that is somebody you gave to us, we'll give you $1,000 either in cash or in a credit towards your towards your solar purchase with us. The second piece of our referral program is our strategic solar partner network. This is where we partner with businesses in town. Typically, we work with folks in the real estate industry, the construction industry, architects, electricians, roofers, and members of the community, professionals in the community. It does, number one, create an additional revenue stream for the businesses who do send referrals our way. Number two, it does add a certain amount of credibility to the companies that are referring business to us. We are a serious partner with a serious solution, and we're somebody that you can truly put your name behind in terms of referring companies to us, or excuse me, clients to us. Our bona fides and our track record are all in place. Our installation contractors are licensed and insured to do business throughout the state of Florida. We have extensive experience in both retrofit and new construction, as well as commercial solar installations. The truth is, our business, we really rely heavily on word of mouth. And we believe there's a reason for that. We are truly a partner that you can count on. We're somebody that you can put your name behind. In addition to that, we can get you up to about 5% referral fee, which on a typical job can go anywhere from about $1,500 up to about $4,500 for referring that customer to us. So we'd love to work with you, whether you're an individual or a business. And if you are a business in the community, we'd love to have you enrolled as part of our Solar Partner Network. So if this is something that interests you, give us a call or send us an email. We'd love to have you signed up and be on board. We do have 15 years of experience here in the state of Florida and throughout the United States. As I said, we are a partner that you can count on. We are the company that you can be confident putting your name behind. So give us a call, send us an email, and see if we can find a way to work together. All right, thanks.